Soup has a special place in the kitchen. It's comforting, nourishing, and endlessly versatile. With just a handful of ingredients, you can create a hearty and delicious meal that's perfect for any occasion. Here are 5 of my favorite 5-ingredient soup recipes that are sure to warm you up from the inside out. Potato Leek Soup. Potato Leek Soup is a timeless classic that never fails to impress. With just potatoes, leeks, water, and a touch of cream, this soup is simple yet incredibly flavorful. Ingredients: 4 large potatoes, peeled and diced, 4 leeks, white and light green parts only, sliced, 6 cups water, 1 cup heavy cream, salt and pepper to taste, Instructions. In a large pot, combine the diced potatoes, sliced leeks, and water. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Reduce the heat to low and let the soup simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender. Using an immersion blender or a regular blender, blend the soup until smooth and creamy. Stir in the heavy cream and season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot, garnished with a sprinkle of fresh chives or parsley if desired. Kale, sausage, and tortellini soup. This kale, sausage, and tortellini soup is a hearty and satisfying meal in a bowl. With just 5 ingredients, it's perfect for busy weeknights when you need something quick and delicious. Ingredients: 1 pound Italian sausage, casings removed, 6 cups chicken broth, 1 bunch kale, stems removed and leaves chopped, 1 package cheese tortellini, 1/2 cup heavy cream, Instructions. In a large pot, cook the Italian sausage over medium heat until browned and cooked through, breaking it up into small pieces with a spoon. Add the chicken broth to the pot and bring to a simmer. Stir in the chopped kale and tortellini and let the soup simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the tortellini are cooked through. Stir in the heavy cream and let the soup simmer for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Serve and enjoy. Top with freshly grated Parmesan cheese if desired. Broccoli Cheddar Soup. Broccoli Cheddar Soup is a creamy and flavorful dish that's perfect for cozy nights in. With just 5 ingredients, it's quick and easy to make, yet it tastes like it's been simmering on the stove all day. Ingredients: 4 cups broccoli florets, 1 onion chopped, 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth, 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup heavy cream, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a large pot, combine the broccoli florets, chopped onion, and chicken or vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the broccoli is tender. Using an immersion blender or a regular blender, blend the soup until smooth. Stir in the shredded cheddar cheese and heavy cream, and let the soup simmer for an additional 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese is melted and the soup is heated through. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot, garnished with a sprinkle of extra shredded cheddar cheese if desired. Butternut Squash Soup. Butternut squash soup is a cozy and comforting dish that's perfect for fall and winter. With just 5 ingredients, it's surprisingly easy to make and bursting with flavor. Ingredients: 1 large butternut squash, peeled, seeded, and diced. 1 onion chopped. 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth. 1/2 cup heavy cream. 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large pot, combine the diced butternut squash, chopped onion, and chicken or vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the squash is tender. Using an immersion blender or a regular blender, blend the soup until smooth. Stir in the heavy cream and ground nutmeg, and let the soup simmer for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot, garnished with a sprinkle of freshly grated nutmeg if desired. Creamy Mushroom Soup. Creamy mushroom soup is a decadent and satisfying dish that's perfect for mushroom lovers. With just 5 ingredients, it's incredibly easy to make and packed with flavor. Ingredients: 1 pound mushrooms, sliced. 1 onion, chopped. 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth. 1/2 cup heavy cream. 2 tablespoons butter. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large pot, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the sliced mushrooms and chopped onion and cook until softened and golden brown, about 8 to 10 minutes. Add the chicken or vegetable broth to the pot and bring to a simmer. Let the soup simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Using an immersion blender or a regular blender, blend the soup until smooth. Stir in the heavy cream and season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot, garnished with croutons and/or a sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley if desired. These 5 5-ingredient soup recipes prove that delicious meals don't have to be complicated. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create satisfying dishes that will warm you up and leave you feeling nourished and satisfied. So next time you're craving a comforting bowl of soup, give one of these recipes a try. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like the video, and subscribe to our channel below.